Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are marching towards another event.
Strangely, it's a Microsoft event and I'm excited.
Haha, Apple boy doing a Microsoft event. What the hell?
Oh. Microsoft deserves some chops here, okay?
Okay.
They've been really coming out with some great hardware. I really like it.
Wow, that's big, coming from Apple boy.
I know, right? I actually hate it. But Microsoft, kudos, your hardware now works. Nadia Satella.
Not really sure what this event is about, but one of the things that we are supposed to do is to learn how to do Illustrator using the new Microsoft devices. So that's pretty cool. Gonna get him to do it, it's even more cool.
Yeah. I actually want to see the power here.
Yep. What would the device that you are looking forward to?
The device that I'm looking forward to would of course be the Microsoft Surface Pro. Mobility is what I like, and the Pro really has stood up to a lot. And I'm actually curious to see the studio as well, because that baby is beautiful and I do want to see how it actually interacts. Yeah, that's for me.
For me, it's the new Surface Laptop 2, because I've always been a fan of the Series 1. So I'm going to see how awesome this is, especially the keyboard. I love the keyboard. So we are here at Harvey Norman. Going to do our registration.
Yes.
And B-roll. We've been gifted this media kit right along. It's a 13-inch
Sleeve.
Yeah. I wanted to say cover, but it's not cover, it's a sleeve. And it's been exclusively designed by the designer today. I don't know what's his name. What's his name? Michael something. Zayed doesn't need this, like how he declared just now. I probably want it for myself, so I'm going to be selfish here and take this for myself.
What changed? You've always been selfish.
So Zayed also got a few ang pao packets. So what he's gonna do is fill in those with money and then give me.
Yeah, I'm ignoring you at this point. Bye.
Well, this is my favorite one. Zayed, my birthday is coming up, just saying.
I don't care.
Alright, so Zayed probably has found his element. Just gonna show you guys what he has found, like self-discovery kind of thing.
Ella is a lot better at me than this, but check this out. You can do lateral vectors like so, which is cool in so many different ways. I'm just lightly showing you what's possible, but the fact that it can do that is kind of cool. It's directly on there. It's no more Wacom kind of an experience whereby it's a secondary input. That is really done smooth. That's a cool input. It's a cool input tool. But yeah, this is more for a graphic designer more than anything else. I don't know. This is very impressive. This is very impressive.
I have no idea what the hell he just talked about. No idea. If I were to moonwalk, right, all the way to the back, you know what I could see? I could see food.
Okay, so this is where Windows is currently outpacing Apple. This is the screen, this is the processor, this is the battery, and you can hold it and it's actually not that heavy. It still has the premium feel, but everything that powers this baby is right here. So that means if you want to leave your keyboard behind, you can. And this means that you've got a fully functional tablet at this size, at this power, on your lap. Of course, for those who don't want heat burns on your lap, that's not a good idea, but still, this is nuts. The portability of this is just off the chart, and this is stronger than a MacBook Pro now. So that just gives you an idea of the amount of power that you're packing into this. And if you want to get it back, you just do that, and that's a laptop that you got. It's very, very convincing a proposition here.
Bro,
Yes,
what's your favorite Microsoft device for this current generation?
definitely that would be the Surface Pro 6.
Why?
It's the power. Portability is powerful. And of course, for somebody like me who writes, I would need that.
Oh, you write?
Yeah, I write.
Oh, for?
So I would need that. No, when I say I write. Not right.
Oh, right.
Right, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the lightweight of it helps my back a lot.
I see.
Especially if you carry it around every day.
Sorry, you are?
Iskandar.
Skandar, Khai.
Yes, Khai, nice to meet you. And you
Nice to meet you too.
Zayed.
We'll
Nice to
put
meet
your IG on here.
Mama Patrick Jane. Don't forget.
Ooh, Zayed's gone all Microsofty today. He's like hooked.
It's still got a long way to go, but I'm just saying it's made a lot of stuff.
No, you're too touchy with Microsoft today.
No, okay, so this is the difference,
You
right?
gotta get it tomorrow.
No. Come over this side.
No.
Come over this
The community manager for Microsoft. As some of you guys probably would have already known, this is the first Surface Premium Experience area in Southeast Asia. Besides that, we also have a Surface concierge that can tend to all your software needs, regardless of where you bought your products from.
Lightweight, versatile device you can use anywhere and everywhere you want. We have 1 hour more of battery life, so it's just about 14.5 hours, again measured in video playback. Right, this device is for people who want a traditional laptop setup, a traditional clamshell laptop. But what sets this device apart is the Alcantara fabric. With just one finger, let me show you. I can move the screen downwards, all the way down.
Have always been looking for like the perfect tool. What is the perfect tool? You know, I think it's different for everyone, and I'm different from many of the other artists because I'm one of those that I didn't have formal art training and I can't draw anything that I see. I try, but I'm not successful all the time. Okay. So it's very different such that because it's vector, it's work in points, right? So when you need to expand it like to wall size, the lines are still very sharp. Whereas
Alright guys, I had fun.
I had fun. I mean, I met Michael Mindflyer.
Yeah, although I don't know who
He
the
doesn't
heck
know who it is. I know who it is.
Yeah, but from the work that he was doing, it was actually a mini masterclass. So yeah.
For those who don't know, Mindflyer is actually a legend in the drawing circle. This guy was like drawing everything when we were like just not knowing
Babies.
what to do.
Yeah.
That guy is a legend. It was great seeing how Microsoft's strategy is to have places where people could go, full suite, kind of a community where people can help you regardless of where you got your Surface from. That's a good change. They really need to step it up because Apple is really out there. This is one step that Microsoft can do. Glad they did it because it's going to come in a lot handier sooner or later. I think it's actually going to be sooner than later because I think that people are going to switch to Microsoft pretty soon.
Yeah, I have.
I'm not.
Now it's his turn.
I'm not yet.
So anyways, we hope you have enjoyed all this coverage of ours, this little coverage. It's all about the next gen devices from Microsoft. Yep. So if you are getting one for yourself, it's really out in the market. Right? It's in the retail stores ever since the 15th of January. So if you want to get, our advice is just to head on to Harvey Norman because this is their flagship store.
Yep.
Right, so you can never go wrong. The staffs here are knowledgeable and they are friendly. They will help you out. Yep. If you do get one, do leave a comment down below and tell us what you got for yourself.
I'd like to know what you think.
Yep. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
Please.
My hand is like shaking because this camera is heavy.
Please,
so
sir. Please.
Alright guys, till the next video. See you guys again. Take care and have a good Chinese New Year ahead.
Happy Chinese New Year.
See you guys and bye.
Bye.